Hi everyone, in this tutorial I quickly show you how to add tags behind an object. So let's get started. First, let's add a video to the timeline. At the top right, click button, remove background, automatic removal. CapCut removes the background on its own. Now we have a video without a background. Let's add same video to the timeline, so that the video without a background is on top. Now let's add text. Set the duration of the text. Choose in, choose out animation. And set the animation duration. Now we need to drag the text between two videos. As you can see, we can drag it. To do this, click on empty space in the timeline. And on the right, click Modify button. Turn on Range Lights button. Now, all objects can be moved freely. And now, as we can see, our text moved behind the object. Thanks to everyone who watched the video to the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful.